Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Before we start with our new tutorial video, I would like to say thank you very much for my new subscriber to my channel and to my viewers and avid followers of my channel. I would like to say thank you so much for all the support, and I hope that you have learned um, a lot in my channel in computer programming. Rest assured that I will do my best to provide you more upcoming video tutorials and discuss the different stages of software engineering, computer programming, computer science, information technology in general sense, and also about life in my future video tutorials. So in this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program that will accept two numbers, and then our program will compute the product of two numbers, and it will display the result using PERL as our programming language. So before we start, uh, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Okay, so we are already here in our text editor. Actually, in PERL, you can use any kind of text editor except word processing software, just like Microsoft Word or WordPerfect or OpenOffice. So here I'm using Sublime as my text editor, so I can start writing sharp product.pl, the file name of our program. Always remember that the extension in every PERL program is ended with PL. Next, the title of program, a description. So accepts two numbers from the user and multiply the two numbers and multiply two numbers and display the results on the screen. Okay, this is the short description of our program. Next, the author, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, that's me. Date October 29, 2019. Next, we will save our work. Control S. In Sublime, you can identify there are hundreds of programming languages, so we can search here PERL. Then we can have here product.pl. So print, starting writing the code, print product of two numbers in PERL. Semicolon. The semicolon tells our interpreter, the end PERL interpreter, the termination of the program. Next, new line, print give first value, jump $a equals less than greater than for input. Let us copy it again. By this time we just replace this one first to second, and then variable b, and then we have here $product equals $a multiply $b, semicolon, horizontal tab, the product of $A and $B is $product period. Here slash T end of program, Control S. Now here we have here a comment. The title of our program, product of two numbers in PERL. This portion for input, enter first value, enter second value. We are using the variable $A, $B, and then product, assign a variable that is assigned as assignment statement, and then the open parenthesis $A asterisk multiply with $B, and then we display the result. The product of $A and $B is $product, and then end of the program. That tells the user that the program is already ended, and then it will return to our operating system. To test our program, we can go to the command prompt, clear screen. I will show you that there is already 3 files here. We have here the product.pl. So as you can see, the size of our program in PERL is very small, 493 bytes. No? So to execute, simply type PERL product.pl. Make sure that the extension PL is also included when you run the program. Enter. Press the enter key. Enter first value 5. Enter second value 4. The product of 5 and 4 is 20. Okay, let us go back here. We can put horizontal tab by using \T or skip sequence character \T, and then we can rerun the program again. CLS PERL product.pl, product of two numbers in PERL. We can have 6, second value is 7. We are expecting the product of 6 and 7 is 42. So we have here, no, the product of 6 and 7 is 42, end of the program. So we have it, guys. So as we can see, no, writing a program in PERL is very easy. So before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.